One of the things that I learned this year is as soon as you transplant your tomatoes into your garden, cover them up with this netting. Now, I got this netting at Michael's. I think you can get it, I know you can get it on Amazon. It's just, I don't know. I know what I get from Michael's is what I want. You need to get as wide as you can so it will truly go from the bottom to the top, and then you join the two pieces at the top and you wind it around each other. I've got a video that explains how to do that. But once you purchase this, it will last at least 2 years. 3 years is pretty much what I can expect out of it. Like the ones behind me, they're so thin and rotten now, I'm just going to throw these away. And next year I'm going to have to buy some more. So I think I'm going to check Hobby Lobby and see what they have. But I do know that Michael's has it. And it's a netting, it's not tulle. It's netting that you would make dish scrubbies from. I don't, but other people do. Another thing that I discovered this year, a new tomato vine plant. It is a determinate, and it grew real quick and it produced pretty well. It's called Fred's Tie-Dye. And it is a pretty tomato. And I'm very pleased with it. It made a really healthy bush. So that's one thing that I got from here. And then there's another Italian tomato right in here. I don't remember where I put it. That is a determinate tomato plant, and it did okay. I'm still on the hunt for a good Italian tomato that's determinate. The indeterminate will do well unless you have a problem with stink bugs, and I do now. So you see, and I've tried to steer them away from here, and indeterminate wants to keep growing. But it doesn't mean they're going to continue to produce tomatoes once it gets hot. The pollen sticks, so there's male and female in your blossom, and they self-pollinate. That's why you can get away with covering them up and never opening this up for pollinators. They self-pollinate with just air movement. So, and if you feel like there's no air movement, just give your cages a shake every day, and they'll self-pollinate. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to finish taking this down today, and man, I'm really hot. I may just leave these cages to do tomorrow.
All I have needs I have not provided. Great is thy thankfulness, Lord, unto